Dive into a world transformed, restoration from the Red Peril, an unlikely alliance. From the creative genius of John Barber comes a breathtaking journey into a world shattered by nuclear war, crippled by economic turmoil, and racked by devastating natural disasters. In Restoration from the Red Peril, an unlikely alliance, you'll encounter a future America grappling with the ghosts of its past and the uncertainty of its future. The reality of nuclear warfare has unleashed horrors beyond imagining, scarring the land and its people. Haunting images of mass graves, survivors marked with the spectral traces of radiation, and cities in ruins set the stage for this riveting tale of survival and reformation. This isn't a tale solely of destruction, but a testament to the human spirit's resilience. Amidst the ashes, hope takes root. A country torn apart by war and left in ruins isn't merely a battlefield but the birthplace of a new era. An unlikely alliance forms to restore the once great nation, and in the heart of devastation, the heart of America beats anew. Get a glimpse of a world where technology strives to reforge global commerce, creating a universal currency in a bid to unite the fractured economies. Brace yourself as Mother Nature reveals her wrath, with Mount Rainier erupting in a stunning display of power and fury. Experience the helplessness, the fear, the awe as you stand with the characters, staring at the canvas of destruction and change. Restoration from the Red Peril, an unlikely alliance is a gripping saga that explores humanity's capacity to rebuild amidst ruin. It asks the tough questions: how far can we fall, and when we hit rock bottom, how high can we rise? This is not just a book but an immersive experience that takes you on a roller coaster ride of emotion and adrenaline. Prepare to be hooked from the first page to the last. Restoration from the Red Peril, an unlikely alliance, where endings and beginnings are two sides of the same coin. Available soon in a bookstore near you.